What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I go from raggedy to cute. I washed my hair like 2 nights ago and put it in these 2 braids. And these exact 2 braids are the ones that inspired me to do this look. I'm starting off by adding in some of my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. And I'm just taking a good amount to just saturate my hair with just a little bit because I am going to be detangling each section. And then I go ahead and start parting my hair down the middle. To part my hair, I kind of just take the back end of my comb and I just kind of like leave it flat and just follow that initial line that I create in the front. And that's what helps me get the best, straightest line possible for someone who's not having someone help them. Our primary product is going to be some Eco Styler gel, but before we start applying the Eco Styler gel, I'm just going to take some water to help me detangle my hair, and I'm just going to break that into 2 sections, grab a detangling brush, and just make sure that my hair is manageable enough for me to do these braids. Then I take that Eco Styler gel, and I'm using the argan oil kind, but you can use either another Eco Styler gel or another product that you feel holds your hair the best. And I'm just taking that product and putting it on the perimeter of my section. And then I take my brush and kind of just brush everything down to have everything in place before I start braiding. So to braid my hair, I like to take a little piece in the front and start grabbing hair and braiding as I go. This is not a video showing you how to braid, so I apologize for that in advance. Just to give you a hint of how I go about braiding, I'm not the best braider, but the key is to take your time and just grab a little bit of hair as you go and continue to separate the hair every time you grab a piece. I don't know if you see me here, but every time I grab a piece, I go ahead and braid, and then I kind of just run my fingers through to make sure that it stays neat. And as you can tell, I'm not braiding like towards my ear. I'm kind of braiding straight back because I'm going for the straight back type of look. I ain't trying to look like Dorothy, you know? I'm trying to look like a fierce Ethiopian goddess. But if you would like to do the other type of braiding where you kind of just braid down towards the front of your face, that will also work for this look. The key to this style is to continue adding product as you grab hair and as you get to the bottom of your braiding section, because that's what's going to allow you to have the neatest look. Alright, so my next step is to take some of this really cute gold string that I got at the local beauty supply, and I'm just basically going to be crocheting this gold string into my braid. And this kind of gives the look, you know, kind of like an accent. If you're not too fond of having just 2 braids, you can always add some accessories so that it can spice up the look a little bit. I know for me, I don't like just having 2 braids, so I always add some string and some gold pieces to enhance the look a little bit. And then the fun part begins. So if you have any scrap of tracks around your house, or you have some clip-ins that you'd like to use, this is the perfect opportunity to just add that hair into your braids. For me, I don't like having my hair stick up like it's sticking up in the back right now, so I like to add in a few tracks just to make it look cute. Sometimes you can leave this out, but today I'm going for a bun look. And I just take those clip-ins and wrap it around the braid and just, you know, put it into a messy bun. I'm not hooking the clips. I'm not doing anything too fancy. This is literally a quick look. And then I grab a hair tie and just secure that bun and play with it a little bit just so it looks like how I want it to look. Once I do that to both sides, I'm just gonna go ahead and fleek the baby hairs per usual. As you know, there is no hairstyle that's popping without the fleeking of the baby hairs, okay? Once I do my baby hairs and I get them however I want them, Then I am finally finished, and to secure this look just a tad bit more, I take some of my Got To Be hairspray and add that all over, and that's it. This is the look, y'all. Super easy, super cute, and really quick to do. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.